Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the issue when your JBL Tune Flex are not connecting and what you can do about it. So first thing that you want to do is you want to take these both earbuds out of the case and you want to turn off the Bluetooth and turn off everything, all right? Take the right earbud and you want to do a factory reset. So you're going to go press it 3 times and then hold it on the 3rd time for like 5 seconds. So you're going to 1, 2, 3 and hold. And you want to do it for like 5 to 10 seconds. And you can try it multiple times how it's going to work out. And see, the blinking stopped. So right now I'm going to put them back to the case. And this is how you're going to perform the factory reset. And then try to pair it again with your phone. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. This is how you can do the factory reset and how you can solve the connection issues with the JBL Tune Flex. Have a great day and goodbye.